Guys, on that episode with me in the video, and sorry for the background. There's only going to be 3 parts, so the final's going to be part 3. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm not really that good with OPS series. So yeah, sorry. So I'm going to do that. So yeah, and 4 subscribers, yay! Even though it might not seem that. Maddie LPS commented on 2 more videos. Yay! I don't know if she subscribed to me or not, but I think she did. So yeah, guys, this is what I came here to talk to you. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, and like. Smiley face.